Assalamu alaikum. Hello, everyone. I hope you are doing well. I'm your Arabic teacher, Hassan, and in this session, we'll learn the difference between he, she, huwa, hiya in Arabic. Let's start. The first pronoun of today, he. So, he in Arabic is huwa. Repeat after me huwa. Again, huwa. Good job. What country is this? Can you tell? It's Pakistan or Pakistan. So some of the Arab countries they cannot pronounce the letter P and they would say Pakistan. But in Arabic in general, we don't have the letter P. We would say Pakistan. Repeat after me. Pakistan. Good job. How can we say that someone is a Pakistani? We would say هو Pakistani. So we would put the pronoun, then the adjective. هو Pakistani. Repeat after me. هو Pakistani. أحسنتم. And the second pronoun of today, she. She in Arabic is هي. Repeat after me. هي. Again, هي. أحسنتم. Good job. How can we say a student? And that is feminine, meaning for a female. In Arabic, we would say tilmidatun. Repeat after me. Tilmidatun. Tilmidatun. And the letter in red, that's the ta marbota, which indicates the feminine word or the adjective for a female. And to say she is a student, all we have to do again is put the pronoun, then the adjective. We would say هي تلميذة. Repeat after me. هي تلميذة. هي تلميذة. أحسنتم. Good job. A teacher in Arabic is أستاذ. 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 Repeat after me. أستاذ. أحسنتم. Good job. With another feminine adjective, a doctor. A doctor in Arabic is طبيبة. 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 Repeat after me. طبيبة. أحسنتم. Good job. All right, so let's check our knowledge. So which picture describes the word? So we have tilmidatun. Which one is it? Yes, that's a student. Tilmidatun is a student. أحسنتم. What about ustadun? What does it mean? Yes, it means a teacher. Ustadun. Ustadun. How about tabibatun? Tabibatun is, right, a doctor. Tabibatun. Ta-bi-ba-tun. What about the pronoun here? It is she. So here. Here. And the pronoun huwa means he. So huwa. Huwa. So we have from the right tilmidatun, ustadun, tabibatun, hiya, huwa. Ahsantum. Good job. How can we ask the question who? So who in Arabic is men. Repeat after me. Men. Again, men. Ahsantum. For example, we want to ask or put the question, who is he? Who is he? In Arabic, we would say men huwa. Men, then the pronoun huwa. Men huwa. Again, men huwa. Ahsantum. Good job. How about if we want to ask who is she? Who is she in Arabic is easy. We put who, then the pronoun. So men here. Repeat after me. Men here. Again, men here. Ahsantum. Good job. How can we say that someone, for example, he wants? Someone wants something. He wants. So he wants in Arabic. So we know the word he, and that is huwa. And to want for huwa is yurid. So huwa yuridu. Huwa yuridu. Repeat after me. Huwa yurid. Again, هو يريد. أحسنتم. Good job. What about she wants? So we know the pronoun she, and that is هي. And wants for she, it's تريد. هي تريد. Repeat after me. هي تريد. Again, هي تريد. So هو يريد. هي تريد. أحسنتم. A very simple sentence. هي تريد الخبز. So she wants bread. هي تريد الخبز. Repeat after me. هي تريد الخبز. أحسنتم. For he wants coffee, for example, it's هو يريد القهوة. Repeat after me. هو يريد القهوة. Again. هو يريد القهوة. Good job. أحسنتم. And for do not or no, in Arabic, it's لا. لا. Again, لا. So this is for negation. For example, if we want to say she doesn't want, so we know the pronoun she, and that is here. And we know want, and that is to read. So she doesn't want in Arabic, easy, it's here, then we put negation, la, then the verb, to read. هي لا تريد. Repeat after me. هي لا تريد. Again. هي لا تريد. أحسنتم. Good job. And he doesn't want, it's the same. We only put la between the pronoun and the verb. It would be هو لا يريد. Repeat after me. هو لا يريد. Again. هو لا يريد. أحسنتم. Good job. How can we say, for example, oh, this is just to give you, this is just to help you make as many sentences as you want. For example, هو يريد, so he wants. Then the first picture on the top, that's fruit. Fruit in Arabic is الفاكهة. So he wants fruit is هو يريد الفاكهة. The second picture in the middle, it's rice. Rice in Arabic is الأرز. 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 So he wants rice is هو يريد الأرز. And the picture at the bottom is so sausages in Arabic is النقانق. So he wants sausages is هو يريد النقانق. هو يريد النقانق. And if we want to use the same examples for she, we would say هي. So هي تريد الفاكهة. هي تريد الأرز. هي تريد النقانق. And this was our simple lesson about the difference between he and she. هي وهو. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you another time in another video.